everyone! Today I'm diving into the world of finances and helping you dodge some major money mistakes in your 20s. It's a crucial time to set the foundation for your financial future, and avoiding these pitfalls can make a huge difference. Trust me, this is one of those things you'll thank yourself for later. A little effort now can save you a lot of stress and hardship down the road. So let's get into it. We're going to cover some of the most common financial red flags and how to avoid them. First up, overspending. Picture this, you've just received your first real paycheck. Feels amazing, right? It's a moment of pride and accomplishment. Now, imagine blowing half of it on weekend outings, shopping sprees, and random online purchases. Sounds familiar? You're not alone. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement and spend without thinking. But here's the kicker. Overspending now means less money for future goals. It can lead to a cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, which is stressful and limiting. Quick stat. The average 20-something spends around $1,500 a year on non-essentials. Ouch, right? That's money that could be going towards savings or investments. So next time you're tempted to splurge, think about putting some of that cash into a savings account or investing it. Small changes in spending habits can lead to big financial gains over time. Now let's talk about debt. Ignoring debt is like ignoring a small fire in your kitchen, hoping it will just go away. Spoiler alert, it won't. In fact, it will only get worse if left unchecked. Student loans, credit card debt, car loans, they can pile up fast. It's important to keep track of what you owe and make a plan to pay it off. Here's a story. Meet Sarah. Fresh out of college, she was drowning in student loans and decided to just not think about it. She thought ignoring it would make it go away. Fast forward 2 years, and her debt had ballooned thanks to interest. Moral of the story? Face your debt head on. Ignoring it only makes it grow. Make a plan, tackle it bit by bit, and watch your financial stress shrink. Even small payments can make a big difference over time. Create a budget that includes debt repayment and stick to it. Celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated. Next, not budgeting. I know budgeting sounds about as fun as watching paint dry, but it's a necessary part of financial health. But believe me, it's crucial. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of where your money is going. Think of budgeting as your financial roadmap. It helps you see the big picture and make informed decisions. Without it, you're just driving aimlessly. You wouldn't go on a road trip without a map, so don't navigate your finances without a budget. A quick tip: use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to track your spending and set goals. These tools can make budgeting easier and more effective. It's simpler than you think, and once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without a budget. And finally, neglecting savings or investments. Your 20s are prime time for setting financial foundations. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Yet so many people skip this step. They think they have plenty of time to save later, but starting early is key. Imagine your future self sitting on a beach, sipping a cocktail, and thanking you for starting early. It's a rewarding thought, isn't it? Compounding interest is your best friend here. The sooner you start, the more you benefit from the magic of compounding. Even small, regular contributions can grow significantly over time. It's all about consistency and patience. So, whether it's a savings account, a 401k, or an IRA, start now. The earlier you begin, the better off you'll be. So there you have it, folks. 4 major financial red flags to watch out for in your 20s. Avoiding these can set you up for a more secure and prosperous future. Remember, it's all about making smart choices now to set yourself up for success later. Your future self will thank you. And hey, a little sacrifice today means a lot more freedom tomorrow. It's a trade-off that's well worth it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about your own money experiences or tips. Sharing knowledge helps everyone. Until next time, stay savvy. Keep learning and growing your financial knowledge.